PrimeAscendWay reviews, trading hours and local time. Synchronization, market timing can be difficult to manage when financial instruments operate across different regions and time zones. In this PrimeAscendWay reviews video, we explore how PrimeAscendWay presents local time, asset operating hours, contract deadlines, and market information. The platform automatically adjusts displayed times according to the user's local time zone. This means charts, updates, transactions, and contract schedules appear in a format that matches the user's location. Automatic synchronization removes the need to convert international market times manually. It can help users understand when a particular asset becomes available and when an important contract deadline is approaching. Every asset on PrimeAscendWay has a dedicated overview page. Users can review a description of the instrument, available operating hours, expiration dates, and unique identifying information.